day. My name is Teacher B. Today we're going to have a speaking test. Are you ready?
Yes.
Alright. How old are you?
I'm 9 years old.
9 years old. And how are you today, Duk Tang?
I'm happy.
That's good to hear that. Now, Duk Tang, I would like to know how many people are there in your family?
There are 2 people over there.
There are 2?
Yes.
2 people only?
Yes.
Who?
Your mom and me.
Your mom and you. Alright. Now, just a small family then. Could you please describe your mom?
My mom
Yes.
Fred.
Has God. My mom has God.
My mom has got long, straight hair.
Straight hair. I see. Is she beautiful?
Yes.
Yes, she is. Alright. Now, let's take a look at this picture. Good then. Name 5 things that you can see. Okay, ready?
Yes.
Go. I can see.
I can see a boy.
What else? Things. I can see.
I can see a bat.
Okay, what else?
Banana.
What else? I can see.
Lighter.
A radio.
I can see a computer.
What
I
else?
can see a bowl. I can see a man. I can see a dog.
Okay, that's it. Alright. Now, how many people are there in the picture?
There are 7.
7. Did you please count it? Ready? Go. People. Count. 1.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Count. Again. 1.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Oh,
7.
oh, this one. So how many people?
8.
Okay, there are
There are
8
8
people. And then, so how many girls are there?
There are 3 people.
3 girls.
3 girls are there.
Girls.
Girls are there.
How many boys are there?
There are 5 people. Are there.
Boys. How many boys? No. Teacher is not a boy. So
There are 3 people out there.
people.
3 boys.
Why boys? Where? 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now thank you for that. What is he doing?
He doing.
He is sleeping.
He's sleeping.
Okay, what is it? What is she doing?
She doing.
She is.
She playing.
She's drawing.
Drawing.
Okay, what are they doing? They are.
They are doing football.
They are playing ball.
Playing ball.
Okay, ball or volleyball. Now, Duk Tang, what is this?
The zebra.
What is it?
The pen.
It's a pen.
The guitar.
Hmm.
The bunker. Elephant.
It's an elephant.
It's an elephant.
What is it?
The cat.
It's a cat.
It's a cat.
What are these?
These
These are
crayons.
crayons. What are these?
The trousers.
Trousers. Okay, now, Duk Tang, I will put the zebra in front of the door. Could you please put the pen on the white table? Okay, good job. The guitar. Put the guitar between the 2 bags. Put the hamburger under the clock. Burger under the clock. Okay. Put the crayons next to the red bag. Next. The trousers. Put the trousers outside of the window, in front of the tree. Okay. The elephant. Put the elephant between the 2 computers. Alright. As a cap, put it on the teacher's head. Teacher's head. Head. Alright, thank you for your time, goodbye.